Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vaughn County, northeast and County in southwestern Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Livingston to near St. Jacob, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Highland, Marine, and Alhambra around 5:20 p.m. Sorrento around 5:25 p.m. Reno around 5:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Pocahontas and Greenville. This includes Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and 52. For your protection, move to an interior room on the road